tatlong haring nagsidalaw, at ang bawat isa ay nagsipaghandog ng tanging alay.
Bagong taon ay magbagong buhay, nang lumigaya ang ating bayan. Tayo'y magsikap upang makamtan natin ang kasaganan.
Tayo'y magsiawit habang ang mundo'y tahimik. Ang araw ay sumapit ng sanggol na dulot ng langit. Tayo ay magmahalan, ating sundin ang gintong aral, at magbuhat ngayon kahit hindi Pasko ay magbigayan.
Bagong taon ay magbagong buhay, nang lumigaya ang ating bayan. Tayo'y magsikap upang makamtan natin ang kasaganan.
Tayo'y magsiawit habang ang mundo'y tahimik. Ang araw ay sumapit ng sanggol na dulot ng langit. Tayo ay magmahalan, ating sundin ang gintong aral, at magbuhat ngayon kahit hindi Pasko ay magbigayan.
Bagong taon ay magbagong buhay, nang lumigaya ang ating bayan. Tayo'y magsikap upang makamtan natin ang kasaganan.
Tayo'y magsiawit habang ang mundo'y tahimik. Ang araw ay sumapit ng sanggol na dulot ng langit. Tayo ay magmahalan, ating sundin ang gintong aral, at magbuhat ngayon kahit hindi Pasko ay magbigayan. At magbuhat ngayon kahit hindi Pasko ay magbigayan.
Magandang buhay! As we gather in this beautiful season of joy and giving, I want to take a moment to reflect on the true meaning of Christmas and how we as a community can come together to make a meaningful impact through our Build, Build, Build project. Christmas is a time of love, hope, and generosity. It reminds us of the greatest gift we have received, the birth of our Lord Jesus Christ, who came to seek and save the lost, and to serve and uplift those in need around Him. Just as He built bridges of compassion and understanding, we are called to do the same within our community. Our church has embarked on an exciting initiative, the Project Haggai, the Build, Build, Build project. This project is not just about physical structures. It is about building a stronger, more vibrant community. We aim to enhance our church facilities to better serve our congregation and the wider community, providing a welcoming space for worship, fellowship, and outreach. With the funds raised through this program, we plan to, first, renovate our community hall to host events and gatherings. Second, create a dedicated space for youth and children's ministries. Third, improve accessibility for all members of our community. And last, expand our outreach programs to support those in need. As we celebrate this Christmas season, I invite each of you to embrace this spirit of giving. There are several ways you can contribute to this Build, Build, Build project. First is through your financial contributions, whether it's a one-time donation or a pledge over the coming year. Every bit helps. Second, volunteer your time. Join us in hands-on projects to bring our vision to life. And third, spread the word. Share our mission with friends and family. Let us inspire others to join us in this endeavor. Let us remember that our contributions, no matter how big or small, can make a significant difference. As we build not just structures but relationships in a community rooted in love and support, we embody the true essence of Christmas. May this season be filled with joy, hope, and the warmth of community. Thank you for your time, your generosity, and your commitment to building a brighter future together. Merry Christmas to you all.